Deposit. Registration has been successfully completed. We are on the main page of the client's profile, where you can see trading instruments divided into categories: currencies, metals, oil, stock indexes. You add the instrument to the favorite list by clicking on the asterisk in the top right corner of its section. After you click on the Instruments section, there opens Full Trading Terminal, where you see the detailed price chart for this instrument. As there are yet no funds on our trading account, we are offered to deposit it, selecting one of the payment means available. For example, we can select a bank card as the deposit method. For client security purposes, before you make a deposit, you need to enter the card details and your address, and verify it by sending the scans of the corresponding documents. If you select bank transfer to make a deposit, you will be provided with complete banking data to execute the transfer. There is also a wide range of electronic systems among the deposit methods. After clicking on a certain electronic system, you will be redirected to the payment system website to complete the process.